Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to make private account on Instagram, as it was an easiest step. Now let's see. First of all, go to Instagram. In this you can see the bottom side. In the bottom side, the fifth option, profile is tag. Click it. This one, yes, click it. And here you can see, after clicking this, the horizontal 3-line icon is there, yes, in the topmost right corner, yes, this one, click it. And here you can see setting option is there, this one, yes, click this setting option. Once you click this menu will be appear. In this, a third option, privacy is there, yes, this one, click this privacy option. And you can see now in the connection settings it has account privacy, yes, this option. You want to click this option, and it's now public account. You want to change to private account, yes, by enabling this icon. Once you click this pop-up menu will appear, change to private account. When your account is private, only people you approve can see your photos, videos and stories on Instagram. Your accessing followers will not be affected. Yes, click OK. After clicking OK, your account will be privated right now. So this is how to make private account in Instagram. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.